Every single day, banks make billions of dollars. Investment firms grow richer every quarter. The financial system generates wealth at a scale most people cannot even imagine, and almost none of it reaches the average person. Not because the system is broken, but because the system is working exactly as designed for those who understand it. Today, we are going to pull back the curtain on exactly how money really works, what banks actually do with your savings, how the wealthy use debt as a tool instead of a trap, and the specific strategies that have quietly made ordinary people financially free. Strategies most people will never learn because nobody teaches them in school. By the end of this video, you will see money completely differently, and that shift in perspective is worth more than any salary raise you will ever get. Secret number 1, your savings account is making your bank rich, not you. When you deposit money in a bank, most people think the bank keeps it safe and pays you a little interest as a thank you. The reality is completely different. Banks take your deposit and immediately lend it out to other people at 8, 10, sometimes 20% interest rates. They pay you 0.5%. They keep the difference, which is sometimes 19.5%, bam, as pure profit. This is called fractional reserve banking. For every $100 you deposit, the bank can legally lend out up to $900. They are creating money from your money while you earn almost nothing. The solution wealthy people use is simple. They keep only 1 to 2 months of expenses in a savings account. Everything else goes into assets that actually grow, index funds, real estate, or high-yield accounts that pay 4 to 5% instead of 0.5%. That single switch on $10,000 means the difference between earning $50 a year and earning $500 a year. Multiply that over decades, and the gap becomes enormous. Secret number 2, debt is either your biggest enemy or your most powerful tool. The wealthy know the difference. The average American carries $6,500 in credit card debt at an average interest rate of 24%. That means they are paying $1,560 every single year just in interest. Money that builds zero wealth and disappears completely. Meanwhile, the wealthiest people in the world are borrowing billions of dollars on purpose. Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Warren Buffett, they all use debt strategically, not to buy things they cannot afford, but to acquire assets that generate more return than the interest they pay. This is called leverage. Borrowing at 5% to invest in something returning 10% means you profit on money that was never yours to begin with. The rule wealthy people follow is simple. Never borrow to buy something that loses value. Cars, holidays, clothes. Only borrow to buy something that gains value or generates income. Real estate, businesses, investments. Consumer debt makes banks rich. Strategic debt makes you rich. The difference is entirely in what you do with the borrowed money. Secret number 3, the wealthy pay a lower tax rate than you, and it is completely legal. In the United States, earned income from a regular job is taxed at up to 37%. But capital gains, profits from investments held longer than 1 year, are taxed at only 15 to 20%. This means a person who earns $500,000 from a salary pays nearly double the tax rate of someone who earns $500,000 from investments. The wealthy do not primarily earn salaries. They earn dividends, capital gains, and rental income, all taxed at lower rates. Beyond that, business owners can deduct expenses that employees can never touch. Home office, vehicle, travel, equipment, meals, health insurance. These deductions legally reduce taxable income by tens of thousands of dollars every year. The tax code was not written against you. It was written to reward specific behaviors, investing, building businesses, creating jobs. The moment you start doing those things, the same tax code that felt unfair begins working in your favor. Secret number 4, the simplest investment strategy outperforms 92% of professional fund managers. The finance industry wants you to believe that picking the right stocks requires expertise, research, and expensive advisors. The data tells a completely different story. Over any 15-year period, more than 92% of actively managed funds underperform a simple S&P 500 index fund. The professionals with their algorithms, research teams, and Bloomberg terminals beaten by a fund that just buys everything. Warren Buffett made a famous 10-year bet in 2007. He wagered that a simple Vanguard S&P 500 index fund would beat any actively managed hedge fund portfolio. He won. The index fund returned 125%. The best hedge fund returned 87%. The reason is simple. Index funds have almost zero fees. Active funds charge 1 to 2% annually. On a $100,000 investment over 30 years, that fee difference alone costs you over $200,000 in lost compound growth. The wealthy do not find the best fund manager. They buy the market every month without stopping, regardless of what the market is doing. This strategy has never failed over any 20-year period in stock market history. Secret number 5, real estate creates more millionaires than any other asset class in history. 90% of all millionaires have built or maintained their wealth through real estate. This is not a coincidence. Real estate has 4 separate ways to make you money simultaneously, and no other investment does this. First, appreciation. Property values historically increase 3 to 5% annually on average. Second, rental income. Tenants pay your mortgage while you own the asset. Third, tax benefits. Depreciation deductions reduce your taxable income even as the property gains value. Fourth, leverage. A bank will loan you 80% of a property's value, meaning you control a $300,000 asset with only $60,000 of your own money. If that property appreciates 10%, you made $30,000 on a $60,000 investment, a 50% return on your actual cash invested. The reason most people never invest in real estate is not lack of money, it is lack of knowledge. They believe they need to be rich first. But real estate is actually one of the few assets where you can build wealth before you are wealthy. Secret number 6, the wealthy are obsessed with one number most people never calculate. Net worth, not income, net worth. Income is what you earn. Net worth is what you keep and grow. A person earning $30,000 a year who saves and invests consistently can have a higher net worth than a doctor earning $300,000 who spends everything. The formula wealthy people follow is called paying yourself first. Before rent, before food, before any bill, a set percentage of every dollar earned goes directly into investments. Non-negotiable, automatic, every single month. Most people save what is left after spending. Wealthy people spend what is left after saving. That single reversal in order is responsible for more millionaires than any investment strategy ever invented. Secret number 7, the wealthy never depend on a single income stream. The average millionaire has not 1, not 2, but 7 different sources of income. A salary or business income, dividend income from stocks, rental income from property, interest from bonds or savings, capital gains from investments, royalties from intellectual property, and income from side businesses or partnerships. When one stream slows down, 6 others continue. This is why wealthy people are not destroyed by job loss, market crashes, or economic downturns that devastate average families. Building multiple income streams does not happen overnight, but it starts with one decision: to build the second stream before you need it, while you still have the first one fully working. Because the best time to build a financial safety net is when you do not need one yet. Secret number 8, financial education is the highest return investment you will ever make. The average American spends 3,000 hours a year watching television and scrolling social media. Less than 3% spend even 1 hour per week learning about personal finance, investing, or wealth building. Warren Buffett reads 500 pages every single day. Bill Gates reads 50 books every year. Charlie Munger built his entire investment philosophy on reading everything he could find. The knowledge gap between the wealthy and everyone else is not natural. It is chosen. Every book on investing you read, every financial concept you learn, every money mistake you study, these directly translate into better financial decisions worth thousands of dollars over a lifetime. The return on financial education is not 10%. It is not 50%. The right book at the right moment can change your entire financial trajectory permanently. Here is the truth about money that nobody teaches in school. Wealth is not about luck. It is not about inheritance. It is not about finding the perfect investment or timing the market perfectly. Wealth is built through consistent, boring, unglamorous decisions made over long periods of time. Save more than you spend. Invest the difference. Use debt strategically. Reduce your tax burden legally. Build multiple income streams. Never stop learning. These are not secrets of the ultra-rich. They are principles available to anyone willing to apply them. The banks know them, the wealthy know them, and now so do you. The only question that remains is the same one it has always been. What will you do with what you know? If this video changed how you think about money, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Subscribe for more financial education that the system never taught you. Because the most expensive thing in the world is not a luxury car or a mansion. It is financial ignorance. And today, you just made it a little more expensive to stay uninformed.